Are you helping me, Aries? Are you helping Mama? Sweet girl.
Yeah, I don't like that one. You want to hold on.
Not right now, baby. Her bath water is a mess. Do you like your house, Aries? Aries, do you like your house? Yes, yes, good girl. Is it a 5-star review? Yes, yes. Say yes.
Okay, here's where I keep the cage in our living room, and I was kind of testing it out to see if it was secure enough with the dog around. And of course, our rescue dog Tanner got to running around as dogs will, and he bumped into that stand, and the stand stayed up, but the cage fell down, and the whole top of the cage came off of the bottom of the cage because these little clips are all that's holding it on. If it had a clip that went around here and down here, it would be more secure. But as it is, I would not recommend using this cage around any boisterous doggies.